Letstrack inventory tags help you organize, monitor, and quickly find your items with ease. And with the Letstrack ecosystem, you can also track pets, valuables, luggage, and even inventory, all in one secure app. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add an inventory tag and keep all your items organized and easy to find. Start by pressing the menu tab at the bottom of your screen. Next, choose Tags. Choose Inventory Tag from the available options. Scan the tag or enter the tag code manually. Give your inventory tag a name for easy identification. Select or create the location where this item or container is stored. Now choose the primary location, such as home, office, or any outdoor place. Select the secondary location, like a drawer, cupboard, or room. Add the items stored inside this container. Enter product names, upload images, and add quantities. Anyone who scans this tag can instantly see the exact location of the item or container. You can easily find items by searching with location, product name, tag code, or tag name. Your inventory is now organized and easy to find with Letstrack. Track smarter, reunite faster, and worry less. Explore the full Letstrack ecosystem. Track pets, valuables, and more.
Letstrack. Put your world in your hands.